In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect n8n to the WhatsApp Business API. Navigate to developer.facebook.com and click Login. Click on Continue with Facebook to log in with your Facebook account. Select your desired Facebook account from this screen to log in. Enter your password for the selected Facebook account. Go ahead and sign up and verify your mobile number. At the last stage of the sign-up, I will select Developer as what best describes me. When you're done signing up, you'll be taken to this page to create an app. Go ahead and click on Create App. A form will appear for you to enter your app details. On the first page, enter your app name and click on Next. Scroll down a little bit and click on Connect with Customers through WhatsApp. Click on Next to proceed to the next page. If you don't have a business profile, you will be prompted to create one. Click Create New One to create your business profile. Fill in your business profile details, then click Create Portfolio to continue. Select the business portfolio you've just created and click on Next. Click Next again to navigate to the Overview page. Click on Create App to submit the form. After submitting the form, at the bottom of the sidebar, click App Settings, then click Basic. On the right-hand side, click Show. Enter your Facebook account password, then click Confirm. Copy your app secret, then navigate back to n8n. Click Create New Credentials. Then, paste the secret you copied into the Client Secret field. Do the same for the app ID by copying it and pasting it into the Client ID field. Click Save. If you see a green banner like mine, it means your connection was successful. That's it! You've successfully connected your n8n workflow to the WhatsApp Business API. If you found this video useful, leave a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe.